How to download VN Video Editor on PC or Windows. So if you want to download VN Video Editor on your PC or your Windows, then first make sure that you have an internet connection and open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with search and search for VlogNow.me, and it will take you to the VN Video Editor section. Now from here, if you scroll down, then you will have for Mac and for Windows. So you need to go with for Windows, and here you need to scroll down, and as you can see that it says that you need to download and install BlueStacks first, and after that install VN Video Editor and you'll be able to use it. So first you need to go with your BlueStacks. Search for BlueStacks, and here you will have download BlueStacks. You need to go and download your BlueStacks. After downloading your BlueStacks, you need to go back and you need to open up your BlueStacks. As you can see, I already have the BlueStacks store. So you need to go with the BlueStacks, and after opening your BlueStacks, you need to go with your search on your BlueStacks and search for VN Video Editor, and you will find the VN Video Editor. You need to click on it and you will have the install option. You'll be able to install VN Video Editor on BlueStacks. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.